Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about arithmetic geometric progression, which is also known as AGP. We may have studied about arithmetic progression separately and geometric progression separately. But what is this arithmetic geometric progression? A series is said to be in AGP if each term in that series is formed by multiplying the corresponding terms of AP and GP, where AP corresponds to arithmetic progression and GP corresponds to geometric progression. For example, consider an arithmetic progression which is in the form 1, 3, 5 and so on, and consider a geometric progression 1, x, x square and so on. Here the common difference d equals to 2 and here the common ratio r equals to x. Now this AGP is 1, 3x, 5x square, and so on. Okay, now let us discuss about how to find sum of terms in this AGP series. Consider a series AP in a general form which has first term as a and second term a plus d, a plus 2d and so on, nth term a plus n minus 1 into d, and a geometric progression GP as 1, r, r square, and so on, r power n minus 1. Now the corresponding AGP is a plus d into r, a plus 2d into r square and so on, a plus n minus 1 into d into r power n minus 1. Now let us find the sum of terms in this series AGP. That is Sn equals to a plus d into r plus a plus 2d into r square plus and so on plus a plus n minus 1 into d into r power n minus 1. To find this series, let this equation be first equation and multiply the equation 1 with the common ratio r, that is r into Sn equals to a into r plus a into r plus a plus d into r square and so on. So a plus d into r square plus and so on plus a plus n minus 2 into d r power n minus 1 plus a plus n minus 1 into d r power n. Now this is equation 2. Now subtract equation 2 from equation 1. We get Sn minus r Sn equals to a plus d into r plus dr square plus and so on plus d into r power n minus 1 plus a plus n minus 1 into d r power n. Now we can simplify this equation as take dr as common. We get 1 plus r plus and so on r power n minus 2 minus a plus n minus 1 into d r power n. We can observe that this part is sum of n terms in geometric progression. So we get Sn into 1 minus r equals to a plus dr. By applying sum of n terms in geometric progression, we get 1 minus r power n minus 1 by 1 minus r minus a plus n minus 1 into d whole power r power n. Now the sum of n terms Sn equals to a by 1 minus r plus dr into 1 minus r power n minus 1 by 1 minus r whole square minus a plus n minus 1 into d r power n by 1 minus r. This is the formula we get for sum of n terms in arithmetic geometric progression, that is AGP. Here r is in the range of minus 1 to 1, and as n tends to infinity, that is sum of infinite terms in this progression AGP, this r power n tends to 0. That means r power n minus 1 in the second term tends to 0. So sum of infinite terms in this series AGP is a upon 1 minus r plus dr upon 1 minus r whole square. This is important. So this is the derivation for sum of n terms in the series AGP, and this is formula for sum of n terms in sum of infinite terms in AGP. Thank you.